Hello, I'm Suzuki Ninja Taro. Today, let's learn how to get in and out of a car. When you take the test, you'll be graded from the moment you get into the car until the moment you get out. How to get into a car. Before getting in, check the front and back of the car. If you look under the car and see colored fluid leaking, it could be a sign of a serious problem. Let's get started. You will check around. You will get in the car. Lock the door. Adjust the seat. Fasten the seat belt. Adjust the miller. Make sure the handbrake is up. The gear is P position. Turn on the engine. Once you've gotten in, make sure all passengers are properly wearing their seatbelts. When get out of the vehicle. If you open the door without checking for safety, it could lead to a traffic accident. Always make sure to check first. In Japan, this is slangily called a door punch. It's considered a proper traffic accident, too. You've parked on a slope. In parking lots, doors can swing open wider than expected, so you need to be careful. When a passenger opens the door, the driver also needs to check the surroundings. Need to be careful. Pull up the handbrake, then get into P. Check around. Get off the vehicle. Wow, it's already this late? It's dinner time. Let's wrap it up. Ninja.